Etoro or Trade Republic, which is better in 2026. Both platforms let you invest in stocks and ETFs, but they're built for completely different investing styles. And choosing the wrong one could affect your fees, control, and overall investing experience. First, let's talk about eToro. It's known for its beginner-friendly interface and social trading features. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs, and even copy experienced traders using Copy Trader. It's designed to make investing simple and interactive, especially for beginners who want guidance. Now, let's look at Trade Republic. Trade Republic is a low-cost investing app focused on long-term investing. It offers stocks, ETFs, savings plans, and derivatives with a very simple fee structure. Many features like it because it is investing minimal, cheap, and easy to manage over time. The biggest difference is a social trading versus long-term simplicity. So which one is better? If you're a beginner who wants social trading and an easy entry into investing, eToro is the better choice. If you're a long-term investor who wants low fees and simple portfolio building, Trade Republic is a stronger option. For most cost-focused investors, Trade Republic often wins, while eToro is better for those who want a more interactive investing experience. eToro versus Trade Republic. Now you know which platform fits your investing style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing app comparisons just like this.